So it's going to be a reading for the sign of Pisces, all that you need to know about your person. So let's take 3 reversals for you people. So all that you guys are going through, many of you guys could have just gotten out of a relationship that was very toxic, or you guys are in the process of getting out of a relationship that seems toxic. This person could have played you bad and literally taken a lot from you, your confidence, your self-esteem, everything was at stake basically. Okay, so I believe the past kind of hurt you a lot. Whoever you were a part of or whatever you were a part of, I do not feel the last few months have been very good for you. Okay, but it is over and that is about it. And when something gets over, something new is always going to start. Okay, so be focused on that. Right now many of you guys could be getting attention from lot many individuals. Okay, with Fool card, many of you guys are also in process of moving forward towards something new in your life, brand new. So it's all about new beginnings for the sign of Pisces. Okay, so let's start. What's the current energy like? What's the current energy like for the sign of Pisces? What's the current energy like for the sign of Pisces? Okay, yeah, with Ace of Pentacles, I feel like many of you guys could be starting a new life, a new job, a new relationship. It's all towards moving forward into something new in your life. Okay, bottom card with Strength card, you are finally gathering the strength necessary within you to move forward. Okay, yeah, with Ten of Pentacles, some of you might have started a new job or will be starting a new job. Some of you could also get a brand new offer into something new. This could be a relationship, this could be a business thing, or this could be regarding your career, education, whatsoever, whatever you're doing. Okay, so one more card for what else is coming up for the sign of Pisces. Some of you could be getting a bonus very soon or a pay raise. One more card as to what is coming up for the sign of Pisces. Some of you might also meet a brand new earth sign, so Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Okay, these are the things I see for now. Let me pick a card for what's really coming up for you guys. Overall, what's really coming up for Pisces. Okay, yeah, with Three of Pentacles, it's all about partnership. It's all about teaming up. It's all about building new things together. Okay, so this can be in terms of a relationship, partnership, business. Okay, so with Two of Cups, many of you guys might meet someone over work, or like among like close friends, or this could be like around your work environment. Doesn't have to be through work. Okay, with Nine of Cups, I see you being in good energy now. Okay, I see you going after your goals, your dreams, being in a good space. Even if you're single, I see you being fine being single. You're not that affected or you're not that lonely. You have finally found that fulfillment within. Okay, so yes, with Five of Cups, recently I believe you got over something from the past that was very toxic, very draining, and right now you're wanting to stay focused on yourself. So you maybe that for many of you, you're trying to be a lot playful now. You're not really wanting to focus on the past or not look back. Okay, your focus is going to be in the present and wanting to enjoy your life, wanting to be more playful with your new things, like that you're going to move forward in a good way, not like playful being like not taking things seriously. No, like wanting to enjoy life a bit more. Okay, so yes, give me one more card as to how your soulmate is coming towards you. How your soulmate is coming towards you, Pisces. How is your soulmate coming forward towards you? I've changed my shuffling side a bit, so that could make some noise. So I'm really sorry for that. But yeah, I've also changed my shuffling style, so it's kind of I let the card fall like instead of picking a card. Okay, so it may take a little more time than usual. Okay, we have, yeah, with Ten of Swords, I believe that this person was responsible for ending things with you. Okay, this person very much could have stabbed you in the back, or possibly cheated on you or left you out in the cold. They are the very reason that things fucked up. Okay, so this could be your past person. So what else is coming forward towards you in terms of soulmate energy? What else do you see coming up for the sign of Pisces? If this is a past, please do not take the past back. I don't see anything coming good things coming from the past person. Okay, my readings are very honest. I do not try to sugarcoat, neither do I give you any false hope regarding this connection. Okay, misleading thing is not my thing that I do well. Okay, but with Knight of Wands, I feel like there is a fiery person, someone who also could have fire in their chart. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, someone very good looking, someone tall, maybe doesn't have to be tall, but someone good looking is very much coming your way. This person will be very vibing at your energy level. Okay, someone similar to what you usually like, or like something that you find interesting, something that you find good looking. Okay, so yes, a bottom card we have Queen of Swords. So when you meet this person might not come off very emotional, but yes, very flirtatious, very good looking, and someone who is very outgoing as well. Okay, but not very emotional. Okay, one more card as to what soulmate energy is coming towards you. Pisces, soulmate energy coming towards you, or soulmate coming towards you. Okay. So we also have the Magician. So for some of you, this could possibly be an Aries. Okay, if it's a water sign, it could be a Scorpio. Okay, I also see Earth. So we also have Earth, we have fire, and we have water. Fire majorly being Aries, water majorly being Scorpio. Okay, so yeah. With Queen of Wands, yeah, lot of fire here, man. I mean, with Queen of Wands, this connection is going to be lot passionate. So I see a lot of flirting going on in the coming month. So you are definitely going to enjoy their energy. Okay, someone very good. Okay, with Ace of Swords, I also see a lot of communication happening with you and them. So what's their energy going to be towards you? What's their energy going to be towards you? One card. What's their energy going to be towards you? Okay. With Two of Wands, this for some of you could be a long distance relationship where someone lives at a distance from you. Like, doesn't have to be like another state, but could be they have to travel in order to see you. Okay, with Four of Pentacles, I believe for many of you, they might not open up very easily, but I do see once things start, they'll start vibing with you or communicating with you more often, and from flirting, it's going to possibly escalate to more. Okay, so yes, one card for how are they going to be viewing you, or how do they view you now. If you've already met someone, how do they view you now? Like when I say recent, it could be 3 months. So if I say past, it should be more than like 6 months old. If I say recent, it could be someone you met 3 months ago as well. Okay. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, they might see you as someone who is possibly well-to-do, settled, or if it's not settled or regarding finances, they could find you very much marriage material, like someone who is very stable as a partner, as a life partner. Okay, they might look at you in a very practical way. Okay, they might find you very much someone who's worth the long run. Okay, so give me one more card for that feelings towards you. What are their feelings towards you? What are their feelings towards you? Their feeling is going to be towards you. With the Devil card, it's going to start off on a very sexual note. Okay, they are going to be very much sexually obsessed with you. I see a lot of sexual energy here, so this might start off on a very flirtatious sexual note. Okay, with Seven of Wands, I still do not see them being very open emotionally, or not very expressive, like when it comes to their emotions, feelings. Okay, still gonna like hold back a bit, but when it comes to flirting and sexual encounters, a lot. Okay, so yeah, so they are going to start off as friends as well with Three of Cups. So I do see friendly energy. I just don't see the energy where someone is opening up or wanting to open up as a partner. Okay, so yes, give me one more card for their intentions towards you. So what are the intentions going to be towards you? With intentions, I believe this person doesn't want to play any games with you. They rather want to put in effort now. Okay, so if this is someone who you've already met, then I believe if in the past they were trying to be all hard to get, someone who was not very much open to working with you, or not so open to talking to you. So I feel that this person will want to put in more effort now. Okay, so yes, in terms of action, what action I want to take towards you? What action I want to take towards you? Spices. with the Tower card, I see some communication coming in. So I believe that in the past, if they were holding back, they'll start taking action towards you, which is going to be very much unexpected. You do not expect a lot of action coming from their side, but I do feel you might get a lot of unexpected communication or unexpected messages from this person. Like it could either be through calls, through messages, or them taking action one to one on a very personal level. Okay, so take what resonates in your case. Okay, so what can you expect from them now? What can Pisces possibly expect from them? What can Pisces possibly expect from them now? With Four of Pentacles, I believe they would not want to open up a lot. Okay, so they'll want to hold on to you, stay held on to you, but are not going to want to put in a lot of emotions here. Okay, they'll still want to hold back a bit. Maybe they are very much, someone who doesn't open up that easy. Four of Pentacles is that energy, but they're wanting to hold on or stay held on to you. Okay, with King of Swords, I see them being a lot practical, very much. They think a lot practically. They do not think like a water sign. They think like a air sign. When you have a air sign thinking, it's always going to be logical, practical, to the point. Okay, so yes. Give me one more card for where this is going forward now. Where this is going forward now for Pisces and their soul for the month of December. Where do we see this? Okay, we have a card. So if this person left you out in the cold or was leaving you out in the cold, then I see this person giving you a lot more attention. It's going to be a month filled with attention. This person is going to put in effort. This person is going to give you attention. Okay. I also see some few sexual encounters between the two of you. If you are open to them sexually, if you're not, you're not. But yes, they are going to flirt a lot. Okay. I also feel that if they've been holding back a lot, they'll start opening up a bit more. Okay. So what are they wanting from you? What are they wanting from you? One card for what are they wanting from you? With Page of Pentacles, they want a fresh new start. If this is a new person, they are wanting a start, like wanting to communicate and wanting to build on things one at a time. If this is someone you've already known, they're basically wanting to re-communicate or start communication with you. Okay. Give me one more card. As to how they view the connection they share with you. How do they view the connection they share with you? Okay. With World here, it could be for some of you that this is a long distance. Okay, you guys do not meet often. Okay, but with Hermit card, yes, there is a significant amount of gap. This could have started on a very friendly note. Some of you are yet to meet you in physical. Okay, so they might want to meet you very soon. Okay, in the coming months. I do see this person want to take action towards you. If you guys already met, then they feel that this could be something that they are looking forward to for a long term. Okay, so yes. Give me one more card as to what is blocking the connection. If any blockages, what are they, Spirit, for sign of Pisces? Some of you are still stuck in the past energy. If it's not a past person, the past energy, you guys have not completely let go of the past. You guys are still possibly, thinking of the past and still stuck in the past. Even if you consciously do not feel that way, subconsciously, I still feel some part of you is still stuck in the past. Okay. Second energy we have is lack of communication. So lack of communication could possibly be, like prolonging this connection a bit. Okay, so what messages are this person wanting to say to you? I really hate this silence. I want to communicate more is the first message. Okay, I pray for protecting this connection. Okay, I am not what I show. I got loads of imperfection, fears and insecurities, and last, I've been feeling your presence and energy around me. So they can very much energetically feel you. Okay, for some of you might have some sort of differences, and that's the reason why they are not completely ready to open to you. Okay, so yes, this is what I have for you for the sign of Pisces. It was a short and sweet reading, all positive. I feel for many of you, if you guys are stuck in a past toxic cycle, then I see you guys meeting a new person who's going to be a lot better for you. If you are with someone who you've already known and you guys are still in contact, then I feel that person is going to be a lot more communicative, is going to be a lot more dedicated, and I see this person putting in more effort. Okay, so yes, this is what I have for you for the sign of Pisces. Please do like the video if it resonates with you. Every like counts. So please support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. All those who are wanting to get a personal reading done from me, you could go to my shop. I have the link below. You could book the reading you want from me. Thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.